Hi, I'm David with Cruisers Yachts, and this is a 2023 42 GLS with twin V12 600 horsepower. Has the Fusion Gray South Beach edition, black hard top, electric shade, the big lounger chair. Big bow rider. Windlass with polished anchor, stainless steel, remote spotlight. V12 Mercury's dual props with 2-speed transmissions. C-neck mat. This has a Seakeeper stabilizer under the deck here in the mechanical room. Both of these panels on each side here, this one and that one, fold down flat to give us a bigger deck when we're swimming. There's your pull-out shower. There's the reversal outboard flushing system and the Rockford Fosgate remote for back here. Dual refrigerators. There's your bar seats. Ice maker under the seat there. Big roomy captain's chair. Simrad gauges. There's your joystick with Skyhook and auto helm. And then you have your digital throttle and shift and your trim tabs. And there's your battery charger. We have cockpit air and heat. There's the vents. And then this is a hard top, so you got a big, beautiful window. And then it has a sunroof. Moving forward, you see how big this bow rider is. It's got a table that'll pop in there. Stereo control, drink holders, and even an armrest right here. Full luxury ride. Storage in these hatches, both of them. Subwoofer for the Rockford Fosgate. Big U-shaped seating. Storage under these seats. And then walk into the cabin. Got a double bed there. There's your marine head. And back here is your back bedroom. That's it, the all-new 42 GLS.